Dear sister, presidential, Mr. White campaign running for campaign 2022 by the bull, 2024, who gonna be over there? Donald Trump ain't gotta climb no branch. Government, no money. You gotta have money about that shit. Well, I tell you like this, if I meet him, it might be good with you. Don't be take the pink, come out the pink leaf, ink like ink, nigga, shit. Think I ain't from Louisiana, wearing pink, don't hurt this motherfucker. Get the hell, nigga, shit. Play no fucking games, cuz. And it's gonna be a physical war, a spiritual war. Now I'm with this on your ass in the cage. I myself, on myself, hold up the sword like Moses, Almighty, you know what I'm saying? And Jesus in me in the middle. I love that baby crazy. The son of man, shit, the middle of the baby. Shit, that man came from a man. I'm gonna say, I don't know what mirror might be on the Mild channel for 2020. I'm gonna say that's my name. Hey, but look, this a gangster party. Weeds, they got retarded. Shit, you heard me? I'm gonna say they retarded in the like mentally play. I kill everybody in the system, mentally playing one of the war. Shit fucking mean right here. They gonna die anyway, even though I'm ex King David.